So you might be in a situation where for some reason you can't reply at all to any Instagram stories. Now, this could happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that that person that you're posting the story of, or that person who's ever posting the story, you want to make sure they have replies on. Sometimes they may not even have the reply button on, so you may not even be able to reply back to a story. So you can see right here for this whoever this person is, you can see at the very bottom, I can't swipe up and reply. So make sure they have the reply button option enabled, just like over here, that way you can swipe up. Now, if it's not working, what you may want to try doing is basically updating your Instagram application. And you can do this by going inside of your app store, just like this, clicking on the search bar button at the very bottom, typing in Instagram, just like so. And what you want to do here is you just want to go ahead and update Instagram. A lot of the times you may just have to update this application, and for a majority of people, that could very well end up fixing the problem. I've been in this situation so many times, and almost every single time, all I had to do was update Instagram, and that might end up fixing the problem for you. Now, if you do that and that is still not working, another thing you may want to try doing is to go through, and you might just want to go ahead and see if Instagram is actually down. And you can do this by going to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com. One of these types of websites which is going to show you what's down and what's up, and if Instagram or if even Facebook is down, then you may just want to go and wait it out until they end up fixing that problem. So at that point, you're just going to basically have to wait, and then once they fix it, it might end up fixing itself, and you just have to reply to stories then. Now, if that's still not working, you can try restarting your phone, so you can hold down the buttons to restart it. But those are basically the main ways to go and fix the problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.